Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make healing potion in Minecraft. Okay, first things first, you'll need the brewing stand. If you don't have one, just craft one using a blaze rod, which is obtained by defeating blazes in the nether, and also 3 pieces of cobblestone. Once you have gathered the materials, arrange them in a crafting table to make the brewing stand. Also, you'll need blaze powder to fuel the brewing stand. Create blaze powder by placing blaze rods in your crafting grid. Then, this powder will be used to activate the brewing stand. Add blaze powder to the brewing stand to power it. Then, place 3 water bottles in the brewing stand slots. Add nether warts to start the brewing process, and you'll be able to see a bubbling animation. Just wait for the bubbling to stop, indicating that you now have aquared potions. Add then the glistering melon slices to the brewing stand. This will create the standard healing potion. Just wait for the brewing process to finish and you'll get healing potions to restore 2 hearts of health. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it! You can now make healing potions in Minecraft. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!